Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be shooting another video. I'm going to be putting in my downpipes today. Technically I won't be putting them in, I'm bringing mine to a shop since my E90 has a bit complex for a downpipe setup. But I purchased our Motorsport 3-inch Catless Downpipes. I think it's going to sound awesome. In the box here real quick, let's see what we have. Hardware here. And here we have the downpipes. Take it out so you get a better look real quick. Got one downpipe right here. And then here's the other downpipe. So we're on the way to the shop now. We'll get back to you in a little bit. And we're not 100% sure if we're going to be able to record in the shop. So we'll see what footage we can get and we'll throw it in the video for you guys. See you in a bit. Alright guys, we're at the shop now. Just up on the lift. Let's see if we get a look at the old downpipes real quick. There we have the one old one. Then right here's the other old downpipe. And then here we have the new downpipes. The new downpipes right here. And here we have the sensors. We're rewired. These are the sensors from the old downpipes. Since these have no cats on them, we would throw a check engine. But since these sensors are here, we shouldn't have that problem. So we have one sensor here, another one down here. Let's see if I can see where they're coming from. One of the openings is right here. Hope you can see that. Coming down, boys. A little scary. Nice pollen. You got it after that guy. Oh, but there's mad cars though. Alright guys, I'm gonna say it's been close to like 3 weeks since we shot the prior scene or clip of me pulling out of the shop itself. So right now it's like 3 weeks afterwards. I'm gonna do a couple of drive-bys and rev so you can hear it. But once again, the exhaust I have now is, all I have left is my secondary cats. So I just put in the arm Catless downpipes, the 3-inch ones, and now I have a muffler and the resonator delete. So that's my exhaust setup as of now. And it says how they have like the sensors to wire from the old cats, you put them onto the new downpipes. And you're not supposed to get a check engine light. I drove around for maybe a week without a check engine light coming up, but now it came up. I ran the sensor code, whatever you want to call it, and it said it said the check engine light was for my lack of catalytic converters. So soon, I want to get a new tune, MHD or something along that line, which is going to get rid of the light. The light's nothing to worry about. It's just telling me I have no cats in my car, which is kind of obvious, which you guys are going to hear. I think it sounds nice. It sounds pretty good. Just needs a tune and we'll be set. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna throw the revs in the drive-bys and everything. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions about the setup, the exhaust, or anything, please leave them down below. I'd love to get to them and answer them. Just leave it down there. I'm happy to get back to you guys. I hope you guys just enjoyed the video. If you did, like and comment. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. We'll have a couple more videos coming your way. See you guys.